MashaAllah. What are you cooking, sister?
Biryani.
Wow. What biryani laham?
Chicken.
Chicken? MashaAllah. You very good. Tomorrow teaching me, okay?
Okay. Lulu,
Ah,
just you take picture.
okay. Just wait, okay? I will finish it video. MashaAllah, very nice.